Okay, so right here, I'm in the email for the market update that I just got on Stillwater, Oklahoma. I work at several different markets in the state of Oklahoma. So today I'm going to show you my market update for Stillwater, Oklahoma. And just take it in. So let's go ahead and scroll down and take a look at it. So first off, you've got the eXp logo because eXp. And then you've got the first part of the email, the market update for Stillwater, Oklahoma. Check it out, guys. It's got a map of Stillwater. It's got the header right here, and it says when the report was sent out. I'm doing this a little bit late. You're just now seeing the video, but this report was sent out on January 20th, 2024. It shows that the average sales price is currently decreasing. It shows the average days on market is 88, and it shows that the price per square foot right here, guys, is $159 a square foot, which is down 7% when you're looking at year-over-year averages. So right there, it gives you a quick glimpse automatically to your customers that are in that market. Like if you have customers in Toronto, you can send them a Toronto area update. But if Toronto has like 13 different zip codes, you could put in just a zip code specific market update too in kvCORE, which I'm going to show you in a little bit as soon as we get through the market update so you know what we're talking about. You're always trying to figure out how to stay in touch with your customers. You're always trying to figure out what's another way I can touch them but bring value. You don't want to bother them, but you do want to bring value. Now this is sent to your customer. So if your customer's name is John, it says, "Hi John. A new market update is now available. Your market report contains the latest data on prices and properties in your area." And then you click here and it takes them to your kvCORE website, which, yes, kvCORE is provided to you at eXp Realty. And you know when they click on that, when they go into the market report in details, and that gives you something to chat with them about on your Thursday check-in, or something to chat with them about on your monthly check-in, depending on where they are in your customer life cycle. Or if it's once a quarter check-in, then once a quarter. But it gives you something to reach out to them and chat with them about. Hey, did you see those market stats on your area? What did you like most about it? And they tell you what they like most about it. It gives you a talking point to stay in touch with your contacts. And then questions about the market, message me directly. This goes to the kvCORE messenger. They send you a message. It also provides your phone number or the office number if they want to call you instead of message you. And then right here, like I was talking about, it shows homes in Stillwater. It shows different categories of houses in the market. So right here on this email, this email's category is homes for sale in Stillwater, Oklahoma. Here are some of the most popular listings. And then of course it has some of these crazy awesome looking houses. I mean, could you imagine a house with 40 acres or 20 acres? You know, it's got this right here. And then look at this giant house right here. It gives the customer valuable information that they can appreciate. And then it also gives them some stuff out of curiosity's sake just to look at. So it gets them interacting with your website. And guys, the more they interact with your website, the more kvCORE tracks that, so that if they were ever to click on something else that another kvCORE agent provided out there marketing wise, kvCORE redirects that inquiry back to you because you're the one staying in touch with it, and kvCORE knows that that's your customer, so you don't lose out on a lead to some other agent who might be using kvCORE. How awesome is that? Isn't that pretty awesome? Now let's go into the backend website and let me show you how you initiate the market report. You're in sales. You've got to stay top of mind. You got to bring value to your customers. Who doesn't want to know the value of their house every single month? Okay, guys, so here I am inside the kvCORE backend website. Now, I've clicked on this customer, which is fake. So YouTube, Facebook, anyone who I'm putting this video out on, this is fake information. It's not real, so don't delete the video. So this is customer's dashboard. This is a customer's contact card. So all you have to do to send them one of those market reports is over here on the left bar in kvCORE, which is provided by eXp Realty. You just scroll down to market reports. See this right here, market reports. You click add. And let's say you're going to send them something on Oklahoma City. So I just type in Oklahoma City, and then it says city, Oklahoma City. So I select that right here. And then I want to hit the person every 28 days. I don't recommend hitting them every 7 days or 14 days or 21 days. I recommend at least 28 days because you're adding something of value and you're not wanting to overwhelm them. And if you're already emailing them every month, your monthly newsletter, like you should be, like all my videos tell you, send them at least a monthly newsletter once a month to stay in contact, because that also adds value. and you add this to adding value once a month too. So at the beginning of the month, they get your newsletter. In the middle of the month, they get your market update. Come on, guys. What real estate agents stay in top of mind? For you team leaders out there, like if you just initiate this into your teams and they start getting it, if they don't even get the newsletter, but they get this once a month, at least you know that all the leads, all the work you've put into your team is getting this market update once a month. Wouldn't that be a positive? Getting something of value, an additional touch once a month to your customer database. You know it would. Absolutely, you know it would. Thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up on that. So all you got to do is click add. Who doesn't want to know about how the market's performing in their neighborhood, or what the most expensive house is in their area, or what most affordable house is in their area? And now they're going to get this update once a month. Now, I recommend adding it between the 18th and 20th of every month. That way they get the newsletter at the beginning, then they get the market update in the middle, because it's on a 28-day cycle. So if you add it between the 18th and the 20th every month, it won't be over touching them. Like if you get an email on at the beginning of the month, and then 5 days later you get another email, that might be a little over touching. So make sure you space it out. But that's how simple it is to add the market report. But space it out so you're not overwhelming the customer with updates. So right there, market report, that's how you add it. That's how easy it is to add it on kvCORE. The eXp Realty gives the agents, the team leaders, and the previous broker owners to use in their CRM and staying in touch with their database. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this update on the market report that you can use in your real estate business, give the video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Check out all my other videos on real estate and how eXp Realty is obsessed with agent success. If you're ready to make that move, I want to work with you at eXp Realty. Give me a call, send me an email, or click on the link down below to book a Zoom call so we can go over how eXp Realty is obsessed with your success. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you on the next one.